Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to identify the same medial sounds in a word by listening. What is a phoneme? Very good. A phoneme is each individual sound you hear in a word. Okay, what we're going to do is I'm going to say 3 words and we're going to try to identify what the medial sound in that word is. So if I said the word globe, nose, rope. Globe, nose, rope. I know that each of those sounds have O as the medial sound. Globe. N, O, S, O, P. They all have O. So I found the medial sound as O. We're going to do some more. So we're going to do these words. Bone, coat, dome. Bone, coat, dome. What's the medial sound we heard in those words? Oh, that's right. Let's try another one. So, toe, mo. So, o, o. All of them have O. Very good. Let's try another one. Bite, dime, file. Bite, dime, file. They all have I. Very good. Let's try another one. Bake, rate, fade. Bake, rate, fade. A. Very good. Let's try more. Hot, lock, fox. Ought, lock, ox. Ah is the medial sound. Let's try some more. Foam, grow, flow. O, o, o. All have O. Let's try the next one. Hope, rose, comb. Ope, o, o. O is the medial sound. Very good. All right, I'm going to give you a word and you need to come up with the medial sound in that word. The first word is tap. Tap. Ah is the medial sound. Let's try another one. Poke. Oak. O is the medial sound. Very good. Let's try the last one. Slap. Slap. Ah is the medial sound. Very good. That's for today. What we did for today, we were identifying the medial sounds in the words by listening. Have a good day.